Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to your favorite channel, Let's Learn with Param. This is your go-to place for unraveling the mysteries of the universe, and today, we're taking a peek inside our heads to explore a fascinating phenomenon: dreams. Ever wonder why we dream or what happens inside our brain when we do? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the world of dreams. Are you ready to dive into the world of dreams? Great, because we are just getting started. First, we need to understand, what are dreams? Dreams, my friends, are stories and images our brain creates while we are in the land of Nod. Think of it as your brain putting on a theater show for you when you're fast asleep. It's a fascinating part of our lives that happens every night, yet we still know so little about it. Dreams can be happy, scary, weird, or sometimes just plain silly. They can feel real, like you're really there in the dream, or they can seem completely fantastical, like something out of a fairy tale or a science fiction movie. Now, dreams are not just random images thrown together. They are crafted by our brain from our thoughts, our memories, and our emotions. It's like our brain is telling us a story, using pieces of our own life as the puzzle pieces. So dreams are like movies that play in our heads at night. But why do we dream? Let's explore. You might wonder why we dream. Scientists have been asking this question too. The world of dreams has been a subject of fascination, leading to numerous theories about why we dream. One popular theory suggests that we dream as a way to process our emotions. Ever had a dream that seemed to mirror what you were feeling during the day? That's your brain sorting through your emotions, seeking to understand and deal with them in a safe space. It's like your mind's own private therapy session. Another theory proposes that dreams are a way for our brains to incorporate memories. Dreaming can help us commit new information to memory and make connections between recent experiences and older ones. This is why sometimes you might dream about something you learned or experienced during the day. And then there's the theory that suggests dreaming is a form of rehearsal. In our dreams, we may practice responses to threatening situations, so we're better prepared if we encounter them in real life. This might explain why you sometimes have those bizarre dreams where you're running from a dinosaur or saving the world. So, while we're not entirely sure why we dream, we do know that dreams have important roles in our lives. They help us process emotions, incorporate memories, and even prepare for potential dangers. Dreams, it turns out, are more than just midnight movies playing in our heads. They're vital tools for our brains, helping us navigate through life's challenges and triumphs. Now, let's discover what happens in our brain when we dream. Our sleep is divided into stages, and most of our dreaming takes place during one specific stage known as the rapid eye movement, or REM stage. REM sleep makes up about a quarter of our total sleep cycle and is characterized by quick, random movements of the eyes, accelerated heart rate, and elevated brain activity. Interestingly enough, during REM sleep, our brain activity is similar to when we are awake. This is the time when our brain does a lot of its creative work, consolidating memories, processing emotions, and of course, dreaming. It's like a painter splashing colors on the canvas of our minds, creating vivid and often surreal landscapes. The brain during REM sleep is an active and busy place, filled with a flurry of thoughts, images, and emotions. Isn't it fascinating how busy our brains are while we're sleeping and dreaming? We hope you enjoyed learning about the science behind dreams. Today, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of dreams, exploring not just what dreams are, but also why we dream. We've learned that dreams are stories our brain tells us while we're asleep, and that they can be influenced by our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. We dove deep into why we dream, understanding that it could be a way for our brain to process emotions, learn new things, or even prepare for future events. And finally, we uncovered the mysteries of what happens in our brain when we dream. It's truly amazing to think about how our brain can create such vivid and sometimes surreal experiences while we're fast asleep. Thank you for joining us today on Let's Learn with Param. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting learning adventures. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep learning.